For this video, I'm going to show you how to open a OneNote notebook. This is probably one of the biggest questions that we get asked, is where to find the notebook once someone has shared it with you, and where it lives and where to find it. So there are a few different ways. The first way I'm going to show you is actually locating a notebook from OneNote 2016. So I have my OneNote open, and in the top left-hand corner, if you click File and then Open, you should actually see a list of frequent, most recently visited notebooks that you have, as long as I'm signed in. And you can see a list of all of the notebooks, and I can just kind of scroll down through here, and I can click on any one of these and it will actually open up the notebook. Now if I last viewed the notebook online, or if I viewed it in a different app, it will still show up here. So this is one way that you can navigate to a notebook and open it from OneNote 2016 in the File menu, and then go to Open. The second way is from an email. So a lot of times when you receive a shared notebook, or even if you share a notebook, you will get an email. But then that email gets buried between a bunch of other emails. So that email gets lost, and so it's hard to locate that email again. So if you find the email, that's great. Or if it was recently shared with you, all you need to do is find the email and click Open, and that will open up the notebook online for you. So once it opens up, then you actually, if you have edit rights to the notebook, you should be able to open the notebook, and then it will prompt you to open it in the app or in the desktop version. So that is definitely what we suggest if you want to be able to have the notebook available to you at all times, so that you do not have to find the email or go online to retrieve the notebook again. So if I click Edit in OneNote, it's defaulting to OneNote 2016 for me, and then it's going to go ahead and load it into the desktop application for me and open up right here. So that is one way to open the notebook. And after I have opened the notebook, I would suggest pinning it down here in my taskbar. So you can see I have a lot of the programs and applications that I use regularly pinned down here. So I would right click on it and then click Pin to Taskbar. Mine is already pinned, so it would say Unpin. But I would do that with my OneNote so that it stays down at the bottom. So then the next time you want to find this notebook, all you have to do is click the purple icon and it will open up. Same thing for the Windows 10 app. You can do the same thing there as well. The next way I'm going to show you how to open a notebook is from online. So again, if we are online in our Office 365 account, and this is your dashboard, if you can go to OneDrive, that is one way, but you probably have a lot of files there and you'd have to search through the files. So I would suggest just clicking on OneNote, and when you click on OneNote, it's going to give you a few different options. So you will have notebooks that you own or that you have recently visited, notebooks that you own, notebooks that have been shared with you, and then you even have a section for class notebooks. So this is a very quick, easy way to find a notebook, and I love that it divides it up into different categories, so you can find the class notebooks versus the regular notebooks or ones that have been shared with you. So you can always go online to your Office 365 account and find your notebooks there as well. Same process. If I was to click on one of these notebooks, it's going to be online. So if I wanted to pull it down and actually put it into the program, I can click on Edit in OneNote, and then it will prompt me to choose an application, and then it will open it up right in that program. If I want to open a notebook from the Windows 10 app, when you scroll down to the bottom left-hand side, it will say More Notebooks. So if I click More Notebooks, then I have the option to scroll through all of my notebooks, and then I can click on whichever one I would like, and once I click on it and then say Open Notebook, it will open it up in the app. So you can always open notebooks straight into the app as well.